Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax over in St. Petersburg, standing on something a little bit different today. Outboard power, is it a cabin cruiser, is it a sport boat, is it a bow rider? Well, it's a little bit of everything and it's turning a lot of heads. I'm talking about the Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard. Hop on board and join me for a walkthrough. There's a couple different power packages available in this boat. You see many available with twin 350 engines. However, this one is rigged with triple 250 V8 Mercury Verados. So I want to point this out because I think it just looks nice. When you put three of these new engines together with their new cowlings, there's few things sharper on the water. You got the wide angle lens on that thing? Good, because I got a lot of features I'm about to point out. First and foremost, we got the L-shaped seating, great social zone back here. Up top, we'll get to that in a second. Controlled up there, we got an aft sunshade, keep that sun off you in Florida. Moving over here. Grill, fridge down beneath, keep everything hot or cold, depending on the situation, of course. One thing I found really neat up here is an option to actually let the sun in. You got a manual sunroof. Say hi to the birds. Hi, birds. Up here we've got dual Simrad screens. One of the things that's often overlooked is the relationship between Simrad and Mercury. They do a really great job talking to each other. Really seamless interface to know everything that's going on with your boat and motors at all times. The common misconception on this boat is that when you have all of the bow seating, which we're going to get to in a minute, is that you sacrifice a ton of space down below. But when we're down here, you can see that's not the case whatsoever. Plenty of headroom, plenty of space, television up forward on the V-berth here, very comfortable to sleep in. You really don't lose anything, and it's a true no compromise boat. Over here on the port side, we've got a fridge, we've got the microwave, to be contrasted with on the starboard side. Got a rather nice head area, really attention to detail on all the fixtures. It is a wet head, and they did a really good job with the tile on the floor and everything. Remember what we were talking about before down below where you are going to have that seating up on the bow? Here we are. A little bit different than your classic Sundancer or maybe the 80s, 90s, or early 2000s. Classic design, nothing wrong with it. However, just transitioning into such a dayboat market, everybody's craving that space to really enjoy yourselves out in the sun. You're probably thinking to yourself right now, what exactly would I use this boat for? Well, if you want to take the family out for the day, no hassles, perfect. Okay, great. If you want to go down to the Keys for the weekend and have an air conditioning place to stay, we can do that too. To answer your question, what can't this boat do? Absolutely nothing. It's a do-all boat. So if you want to come get on her in person or take her out for a ride, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax St in St. Pete. Call me, see me, let's get you out on the water. Bye guys.